Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P24BD-17 refers to a high voltage condition in the canister changeover valve control circuit in the Honda CR-V models from 2023 onwards. This incident is characterized by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detecting an abnormal situation where the return signal for the canister changeover valve, CCV, is open while it is sending a signal to close the valve. The CCV plays a crucial role in regulating fuel vapor emissions by controlling the flow of vapor from the fuel tank to the engine's intake for combustion or to the evaporation canister for storage. The PCM acts as the vehicle's main computer, overseeing various components, including the EVAP, Evaporative Emission Control System, which includes the CCV and is pivotal to ensuring the vehicle meets emission regulations. The positioning of these components is typically integrated within the EVAP system located near the fuel tank, making them essential to the vehicle's emission management. The presence of this DTC indicates that immediate attention and troubleshooting are warranted to resolve the high voltage issue, ensuring compliance with environmental standards and the vehicle's proper functionality. The DTC P24BD-17 indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has identified a fault in the canister changeover valve control system. Specifically, the PCM is designed to monitor the CCV's behavior and expects a closed signal in tandem with the circuitry. When it detects an open signal during a close command, it interprets this as a malfunction. The CCV is essential for managing the fuel vapor emissions and is integrated into the EVAP leak check module, commonly found near the fuel tank. Each of these components work together to ensure that the vehicle's emissions remain within permitted levels. If the CCV malfunctions, the vehicle can experience increased emissions, which may lead to compliance issues with environmental regulations. Essentially, this DTC gives insight into a critical failure in the car's emission control system, making it crucial for technicians to address the underlying issue promptly. Several possible causes could lead to the triggering of DTC P24BD-17. Firstly, a shorted wire in the canister changeover valve circuit may create a direct connection, causing the PCM to see incorrect voltage levels. This scenario can occur due to wear and tear or abrasion on the wiring harness. Another potential issue is with the EVAP leak check module itself, which might not perform as expected due to internal failure or external damage. If this module does not relay the correct signals to the PCM, it can easily misinform the vehicle's control systems. Lastly, the PCM may malfunction, leading to erroneous assessments of the CCV's performance. In such cases, validating the PCM's functionality is essential to determine whether it is indeed the source of the problem. Thorough diagnostic testing is required to identify which of these potential issues is causing the high voltage signal. When DTC P24BD-17 is triggered, specific symptoms may become apparent. One of the first indicators is the alert of high voltage, which could prompt warning lights on the dashboard related to the emission control system. This alert signals potential malfunction, and it's key for prompt investigation to avoid further complications. Additionally, the vehicle may experience emission-related issues, such as elevated levels of harmful pollutants being expelled from the exhaust, which could impact environmental integrity and lead to compliance failures during emissions testing. These symptoms may also trigger various other DTCs related to the EVAP system, further complicating the diagnosis. If the PCM continues to receive abnormal signals from the CCV, it may result in the malfunction indicator light being activated, alerting the driver to address the problem immediately. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P24BD-17 is to turn the vehicle to the on mode. This mode allows the vehicle's computerized systems, including the PCM, to initiate self-diagnostics. Next, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, should be used to perform the EVAP leak check module test. This test examines the functionality of the EVAP system and verifies if the CCV operates as expected under normal conditions. It's crucial to analyze the results of this test carefully. If the results are not okay, it indicates that the failure is replicated, supporting that a fault exists in the control circuit. This initial troubleshooting step is vital for narrowing down the source of the problem, establishing whether the malfunction is related to the CCV, the EVAP system, or perhaps an issue within the PCM itself. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P24BD-17, it's crucial to inspect the wiring associated with the canister changeover valve for any signs of shorts. Start by disconnecting the EVAP leak check module connector and the PCM connector to facilitate a detailed examination. The inspection must adhere to the methods outlined in the shorted circuit testing guidelines. This means checking for any continuity issues or unexpected short circuits that could be presenting a false signal to the PCM, causing it to misinterpret the CCV status. Any abnormal findings during this phase can provide vital clues indicating whether the issue lies within the wiring or the CCV itself. Maintaining attention to detail is paramount, as even minor faults in the circuit can lead to significant operational problems in the emissions control system. The third troubleshooting step involves inspecting the EVAP leak check module itself. This module is crucial as it verifies the integrity of the EVAP system and ensures no leaks are present. Since there isn't a direct test method for the module, the most effective approach is to install a known good component. By doing this, technicians can determine whether the original module is the source of the DTC P24BD-17. If the failure is successfully reproduced with the newly installed module, it suggests that issues might exist with additional components in the system. Conversely, if the DTC clears upon using the known good module, it indicates that the original EVAP leak check module was indeed faulty. Thorough testing at this step directly influences the success of the diagnosis and repair process. If previous inspections have indicated normal conditions for the wiring and the EVAP leak check module, the final step in troubleshooting DTC P24BD-17 is to inspect the powertrain control module, PCM, itself. The PCM acts as the brain of the vehicle, processing input signals from various components and making real-time decisions to ensure optimal operation. To confirm the functionality of the PCM, it is essential to check for any faults or abnormal readings that could be leading to false readings regarding the CCV. Including knowledge from diagnostic data and understanding the PCM's role can help pinpoint whether it is functioning correctly. If the PCM is found faulty at this stage, it will need to be repaired or replaced to restore proper vehicle emissions management functionality. This thorough evaluation of the PCM is vital as it contributes to the reliability and efficiency of the entire emission control system. Upon completing repairs related to DTC P24BD-17, a comprehensive final repair verification process must be followed. First, it's essential to clear the DTC from the PCM, ensuring that any previous codes are removed before retesting. This clearance allows for an accurate assessment of the repairs made. Next, a test drive should be conducted under various conditions to monitor the performance of the emissions system. Pay special attention to any performance indicators and warning lights that may signify residual issues. Finally, it's crucial to check for the reappearance of the DTC. If the fault code does not come back, it indicates that the repairs were successful and the emission control system is now functioning correctly. This systematic verification ensures not only compliance with emission standards, but also reinforces the vehicle's reliability and efficiency in the long run. Preventive maintenance is vital in ensuring that DTC P24BD-17 or similar issues do not recur. Regular inspection of the EVAP system components, including the canister changeover valve and the leak check module, should be part of routine maintenance. Checking for wear, corrosion, or other damage is essential to maintaining an efficient emissions control system. Additionally, routinely inspecting wiring and connections can help catch potential issues before they escalate into significant failures. Keeping the vehicle's firmware and software updated is also crucial, as manufacturers periodically release updates to enhance functionality, resolve bugs, and improve system communication. Engaging in these preventive maintenance activities not only prolongs component life, but also contributes to the vehicle's overall performance and compliance with environmental regulations. In conclusion, DTC P24BD-17 signifies an important issue with the canister changeover valve control circuit in the Honda CR-V. This code alerts technicians to a high-voltage situation which requires immediate attention to ensure compliance with emission standards. Following a systematic troubleshooting process allows for a thorough inspection of all components involved, including the wiring, EVAP leak check module, and PCM, enabling accurate diagnosis and repair. Additionally, by engaging in preventive maintenance practices, vehicle owners can reduce the likelihood of similar issues arising in the future. This holistic approach to vehicle management not only ensures the automobile runs efficiently, but also secures its longevity and environmental compliance. Ultimately, understanding and responding effectively to DTCs is essential for maintaining a vehicle's optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.